Hello everyone! Very often we get a question how to clean our copper steel, and today we have one used and we will clean it. And for this we need boiling water, citric acid, a bowl with a spoon, a wrench and 3 cloths. First thing, we will put citric acid into the bowl and dilute it with boiling water. We put also boiling water into the steel to clean it from inside. It is absolutely dark inside, and you will see how it will turn clean copper after we clean it. We dilute the citric acid, and we first will clean it outside. To clean the surface of the steel, it's better to remove the handles. For this you need a wrench. And using cloths with a hard surface and putting into water with diluted citric acid, we just put it on the surface and you see it's becoming clean right away. So first step is just to put some water on the surface of the steel. It will react. Leave it for a few minutes and it will become really clean. So we put our cloth into the water with citric acid and just apply it on the surface of the steel. And it becomes shiny right away. As you see, this inside of the steel is absolutely dark, and now I will show how to proceed with the inside surface of the steel. So the citric acid and water which we used to clean the surface, we just put into the boiler and we add some more water. And then we just do like this, and we should leave it for some more time so the citric acid will react with the surface, and after some time we will use a cloth to clean it. So we cleaned the steel inside, and we can pour the dirty water back into the bowl. And it's better to clean it with some more water You can put of course more water to clean it, or you can put it running water in from the tub. And it's important to clean the surface, inside surface and outside surface, with water and then with wet cloth, so the citric acid will not react with the copper. And you finish it with dry cloth. And we finalize it with putting the handles back. So we cleaned inner and outer surface, and now our steel is much more cleaner, and you can see copper. And we can do the same with the sieve. You just put it into the liquid which has left over, and meanwhile you can put the handles on. Of course, you have to clean it with running water afterwards, the sieve and the steel, and finally you have to dry it with dry cloth, so no citric acid will stay on the surface. Now our boiler is clean and ready to use. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.